Top 5 Best Metal CNC Machine for Small Business. In this video we only show available and top 5 best metal CNC machine for small business. Number 1. Ortur Laser Mosta 2LU14 Laser Engraver, CNC Laser Engraving and Cutting Machine, 32-bit Motherboard Laser Engraver, Cutter for wood and metal stone glass, excellent safety protection. There is a G sensor on the main board. If the machine detects unauthorized movement, the laser beam will stop. 2. If your computer system stops or the USB cable is disconnected, causing the laser engraver to stop moving, the laser beam will stop to prevent fire. Number 2. CNC Router Machine, 3018 Pro, mcwdoit Simple Assembly, version, desktop wood, acrylic plastic PCB MDF engraving, 3-axis, with offline controller, mill bits, working area 11.8 x 7.11.8 inches. After repeated tests, we have upgraded some parts of the control board to make it work more stably. Integrated driver chip plus fixed heatsink plus external fan plus sturdy casing plus add emergency stop switch port to extend the life of the control board, self-contained short circuit protection, not easy to damage. Number 3. Genmitsu CNC 3018 PRO Router Kit GRBL Control 3-axis, plastic acrylic PCB PVC wood carving, milling engraving machine, XYZ working area 300 by 180 by 45 m. New version, Genmitsu CNC 3018 Pro is an upgraded version of 3018. All components do not need to be positioned, which greatly reduces the difficulty of assembly and improves the working accuracy. The base height is raised to 4 cm for better stability. Number 4. Vevor CNC Router Machine CNC 1610 3-axis GRBL control, with the ER11 and 5 mm extension, rod for plastic acrylic, PCB PVC wood carving DIY ideas, XYZ working area 160 by 100 by 40 m. CNC 1610 Router Machine, CNC 1610 Pro is an upgraded version of 1610 CNC. We provide a detailed user manual, assembly instructions, and installation video for your convenience. Assemble the engraver machine according to the installation instructions. Number 5. US stock, 50 watts JPT fiber laser marking, machine fiber laser, engraver width, laser power, 50 watts plus marking area ends, 175 mm plus engraving depth, less than or equal to 1.0 mm plus 80 mm rotary axis plus SC82.0 light burn compatible. Laser source, JPT, repetition rate frequency, 1600 kHz, pulse duration, 200 ns, central emission wavelength, 1064 nanometers, maximum pulse energy, 1.25 millijoules. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest top best product.